The exciting world of SEO, search engine optimization. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about pure search engine optimization. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh their SEO knowledge, I got you covered. My name is Velandia. I am an online entrepreneur who quit her job at Google to serve you and hundreds of thousands of business owners. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of SEO and essentials and the basic things you need to have inside of your website and content to get recognized by the search engines, especially by Google. So let's dive in. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of everything, we need to understand the term SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which refers to the process of optimizing your website to improve its visibility on search engine result pages. In simple terms, it's about making your website more attractive to search engines like Google. Now that we understand what SEO actually is, let's discuss why this is important. Search engines are the primary way people discover new websites and content. By optimizing your website for search engines, you increase your chances of appearing higher in search results, driving more traffic to your website, and reaching your target audience effectively. You already know, if you know me, if you know all my trainings and all the things that I talk about when it comes to SEO, is that the foundation of any successful SEO strategy is keywords and keyword research. Keywords are terms and phrases people enter into search engines when looking for information. By conducting a thorough keyword research, you can identify the most relevant keywords for your content and strategically incorporate them through your website. I have come across several people who know and understand what keywords are, but they don't know how to run successful keyword researches. And it's totally okay. The majority of people don't know. And of course, sometimes we need guidance. We need someone to help us through the process to recognize these keywords. The best part about keyword research is that once you know how to do it, you are set up for life. This is why our Essentials SEO program is so special. Instead of watching YouTube videos and tutorials about how to do this, you actually have a community of people you can rely on. You can have community and coaching sessions to guide you through the process tailored to your specific needs and types of business. Inside of this program, you'll have video trainings, resources, and even coaching calls to help you get this process and the whole Essentials SEO process done. If you want to learn more about this amazing program, I left you the link in the description so you can join and learn more about this opportunity. Alright, so let's keep going. I hope that you have your notebook ready. Let's talk about on-page optimization. On-page optimization refers to optimizing individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic. This includes optimizing meta tags, headers, URL structure, and ensuring your content is high quality, engaging, and relevant to the user's search intent. Don't freak out about this. I know that I talked a lot about different things that you have no idea what they are. Inside of the program, you can have access to all the information, how you will be able to utilize the entire content. To summarize, on-page SEO is literally everything that's happening inside your website and you're not doing anything extra to optimize. Having an understanding about technical SEO is a really important aspect of this. I think even is the most important part when it comes to starting the basics of SEO. Technical SEO focuses on the behind-the-scenes elements of your website that affects its visibility on search engines. And this one includes optimizing website speed, improving mobile friendliness, fixing broken links, optimizing site architecture, ensuring search engine bots can crawl and index your site effectively. Trust me, all of this will start making sense once you start working on this. In fact, I'm going to leave you all my resources, all the things that I do to help people. Everything is going to be in my description below. Another aspect of SEO is just think about how the user get access to your content. Having specific user experience, it helps a lot to Google to recognize where your content displays place, if it's easy to understand, if it's fast to read, is it easy to get information, and how you are placing your images, your infographics, and your specific blogs and content. It also includes how fast your website loads on the computer, on a laptop, on a phone, even if you're Apple Watch. The idea is to understand where the majority of our people are actually consuming the content. But we wouldn't be able to do this if we don't analyze. Analytics will give you the baseline understanding of how your website and your content is showing up in front of people. You need to track and analyze data. Tools like Google Analytics help you monitor your website's performance, track organic traffic, measure keyword rankings into user behavior. Of course, by analyzing the data, you have an understanding and you can make data-driven decisions to improve your SEO strategy. Before we wrap up, here are a few essentials SEO best practices you need to follow. First, create high-quality, unique, and valuable content. Second, optimize your website for mobile devices. Number 3, improving your website load speed. Build a strong network of backlinks from websites that have authority. 6, optimize your profile URL's website. And number 7, leverage social media to promote your content of your website. Congratulations! You have now unlocked the power of essential SEO and the basics of SEO. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process and requires patience and dedication. Just please stay updated with the latest trends of SEO to ensure your website stays and remains optimized. If you found this helpful and you want to stay up to date with SEO promises, just subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn your notifications bell on. As always, thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!